Okay, this turkey is going into the oven. This is a old-time roaster and it cooks pretty fast. This is a 15-pound bird. It only took 2 hours. Well, we're at 145, 146. Just gonna let it sit in the oven a little bit longer. The leg is at 168. And that's pretty high. And right up here, 180. This only took 2 hours with this roaster. So the difference with this roaster is it's got a concave roof on it, and it's most of the pans you see these days are like domed, and this one was made and it says, actually it says 1911 on there. May 2nd, 1911, Canandaigua, New York. And the vent, I usually close the vent. Yeah, it took 2 hours for this. It's a 420 turkey. After I cut up the whole turkey, sliced it, and made sandwiches for the last couple days, I took the rest of the carcass and put it into my stock pot. Let it go for about 5 hours today with a few cups of water, and now I strained it out into the pot where I had the extra vegetables and potatoes and stuff, and there's our stock. And I just picked off all the meat I could with without any bones or hard stuff, and I'll be adding that to that. And we're going for turkey stock soup. So obviously that wasn't the whole turkey bones. I took the extras and put them in a Ziploc bag for temporarily stocking for later. I'll do another one with that. So the rest of this cook I won't use the stock pot or the crock pot anymore. I'll just use the stainless steel, and slowly, I've got more to add to this. I've got another pot of stock, and I'll do that right now. So this is a pan that I got right from the drip tray from the roaster over here that I used. And I think we've got gelatin. This is like pure gelatin. I'm gonna cover that back up for a minute, but I'll be adding that to the whole stock base here. This is really nice. Look at that. That's just pure gelatin. Very good for you. Yep. So I added all that gelatin to the rest of the stock with the vegetables, and you just let it's a little warm so it'll break up a bit. Melt right into there. And I think I'll just put this into the fridge for the night and wait till tomorrow. And also the last piece of pumpkin pie right there. I'm gonna chow this right now. This is the final after 24 hours in the fridge, and I think it's all gelatin. Pretty much, yeah. Yeah, this is all gelatin. That looks really good. I'll have to freeze some of that in freezer bags and have some tonight. Yeah, so I've got my gelatin frozen in here, turkey stock, and just a little one to give to somebody else, just for good health benefits. And I'm brewing up mine right now. I put a couple cloves of garlic in there, pressed them right in, crushed them up. And this is beautiful. So thanks for watching. Eat well and be good. Peace.